are back at the gym again, just like I normally do every day during the week. I'm going to do chest today, so let's head in and get the workout done. Again, we'll see what kind of clips we can get, with just how many people are there and everything. One thing that I wanted to note, Ford's sync system. I am not a big fan of it. I designated this key as an admin key, and now my volume is limited while I drive. It's a kind of a pain in the butt. So if anybody has any idea of how to actually remove this my key, so I can get the full volume back when I'm listening to music while I'm driving, let me know. Apparently you need an admin key, which apparently this is, but it's not showing up on the screen when I try to remove it. I don't know. Really complicated system. Not a big fan of it. So if anybody has any idea of how to correct this, let me know. So we are doing our first wash of the truck. I haven't had a chance to actually do it yet since I've just been busy with the holidays and everything. And obviously the weather and everything, it's been raining and a little bit colder than normal. But today we finally have a nice streak of weather during the week. So I figured I would get this cleaned up. Now I'm not going for a complete full detail. I'm just getting it clean because I want to get a layer of bead maker on. Just to get some protection on the paint right now. When it gets wet or it rains, the water just sits right on the paint. And I cannot stand it. So I at least want to get something on there just for now until I get some time to actually schedule out a detail and get it done. So we're going to go ahead, clean it up, get a layer bead maker on. Also, all of the Morimoto lighting is supposed to come in today. It was actually supposed to come in yesterday, but there was delays with FedEx and everything. So I'm still waiting on those. Hopefully they come in today so we can get them on. I already have the license plate lights in. Those came in yesterday. But I'm waiting on the taillights, the headlights, the fog lights. They're on back order until next month, so those will probably not be in the video when I install everything. But the headlights and taillights I'm waiting on. They should be in today, so hopefully we can install them in this video. If not, it'll be a next video, but I am very excited for that. So let's go ahead, let's get this truck washed. Obviously it's way bigger than what I'm used to with the STI, so it's got to take some time, but I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing kind of what the condition of the paint is in. And finally getting this kind of up to my spec and at least somewhat clean compared to what it is now. So I'm probably just going to do a time lapse on it. It's about 40 degrees out. I'm probably not going to want to do too much talking just because it's cold. And we're actually at the tail end of a storm that we had yesterday. So it's pretty windy out. So the audio won't be that great. So I'll probably just do a time lapse of washing the truck just so you guys can see getting it done. So let's go ahead and get started on the wash. All right, so clean the wheels. As you can see, there's some of the brake dust that's kind of baked on. So I'm going to use some of this chrome polish that I use on my exhaust. Try to get that out. Kind of a pain in the butt. It is coming out, as you can kind of see right here. But it's just taking a little bit more work. Just because the truck doesn't get washed as often as I would normally keep it. But it does come off. I really don't care too much about these wheels since I am replacing them very soon. But I at least want to clean them up a little bit and get them at least looking decent. So I'm going to go ahead, clean them up a little bit, and then I'll show you the end. So there's a little before after, just to this side, and I went around the outside of those, but big difference, way better, came right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up around here, and then we can move on to the last wheel. All right guys, so way better. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm happy with that for now. The wheels are kind of beat up like I mentioned, but definitely way better. I cannot wait to get the new wheels in. The motor looks brand new. All I did was pressure wash it down, use some Adams all-purpose cleaner, then I agitated it with a brush, then I just sprayed it down again with the pressure washer and put some Carpro Pearl on it, and it looks brand new. Really happy with that. So let's get on to finally washing the exterior. Oh boy, absolutely nothing on the paint. As you can see, it's just nothing. But I'm happy to be cleaning this. I actually sprayed up in the wheel wells and everything as well, even though I cleaned them when I cleaned the wheels. But excited to get this thing cleaned up. Alright guys, so we are finished up with the wash. Came out pretty nice. The paint is actually in pretty decent shape. You can kind of see it in the sun. A lot of metallic, a lot of flake. It's really cool. Look how many colors are in there. Obviously that's going to pop out way more once I get time to actually paint correct it. But really, really nice. I'm really happy with the condition of the paint. Obviously there's a few little scratches, but honestly I'm pretty happy with the condition. It turned out really nice. I mean, you could hear it on the hood actually. It's pretty rough, but nothing that an auto scrub or a clay bar can't get out. So it's going to turn out really, really nice. I know it. But for now, that's the conclusion of the wash. The wheels look nice. Well, as nice as they can. But I really, really can't wait to get my new wheels in. They should be in probably next month. And it'll definitely change the look of the truck and make it look way better. But yeah, looking good. I really do like this black paint. It's really nice. There's so many colors in it. Look at all that flake. Crazy. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, while I was washing the truck, my Morimoto taillights came in over here. So I'm probably going to install them in another video because I want to wait for all the other Morimoto stuff to come in. So got the license plate housing LED lights as well. So I'm waiting on the headlights as well as the fog lights. But I'm happy those came in. So I'm going to check those out. I'll probably do an unboxing of everything because there's so much information that I would like to talk about all this stuff. But I'll probably do that in another video. Had to run out, get some wine for the missus. But the truck is looking good. I'm really impressed with how clean it looks. The paint is in good condition. Just needs a good polish. And this thing's gonna be looking proper. Truck is washed up. We are done with that, as you guys know, but I just wanted to at least unbox the Morimoto taillights for you guys, as well as the little license plate lights as well. I am waiting on the headlights and the fog lights, as I mentioned, but I just wanted to at least open them, show you guys them. I'll do a whole other video once everything comes in, but I figured I would at least open them, show you what they look like, because I mentioned that they came in today and I don't want to leave you guys hanging. So let's at least open them up, check them out, see how they look, and then we can wrap this video up. All right, so let's start off by opening up the little license plate lights. Nothing too exciting, but way nicer than what's already on there since they're just normal halogen, the 168, I think, or 194 bulbs, I forget. But they're a full housing, full replacement. They just plug right into the little bulb socket. Then you pop them in right into their little place. So really nice. You can see the LED there. It's a nice gloss black as opposed to the matte black that is there. That's all faded and everything. So these are really nice. These are actually relatively cheap. They're like 30 bucks, so not too bad. Has a little Morimoto logo right there, which is nice. But yeah, very, very easy install. But let's go ahead and open up the taillights. All right, so here are the taillights, really nice. They come in two different colors. They come in a smoked black or a red. I'm going for kind of a murdered out black look on the truck. So I went with the smoked, really, really nice. I like the design of this. You should see when these things are on, it's pretty cool. They're pretty trippy, but really, really happy with the black coloring. I think it's gonna look great on the black truck. The red just would have stood out too much. If it was a darker or cherry red, I think that would have looked really good as well. But the black, I think, was just the right route to go. As you can see all here, these are all lights actually, all LEDs. And the back here, this is the running light, brake light, reverse light is right here. I'll show you all the functions and everything once I install them and I get everything in, but I just wanted to at least unbox them, show you guys the new taillights because they're pretty awesome. So everything on the back is just plug and play. It's very, very simple, just like the Subi Speed taillights that I have on my STI. Everything is very, very simple. Plug and play, bolts right up, not complicated to install at all. I'm sure you guys know if you watch my videos, I'm a huge lighting nerd. Anything that has to do with lighting that performs better and looks better, I'm all for it. Morimoto is a very trusted brand. I've been using their stuff for years on the STI and other cars as well. So when I saw that they had some taillights available, I knew it was something that I wanted to get. The F-150s actually come with a couple different sets of taillights from the factory. They come with the normal base halogen ones, which is the ones I have. And they also have the LED ones with the backup sensors and stuff like that. So I don't have any of the fancy stuff. Mine's just completely halogen. They're that really, really bright red that I do not like. So this is gonna be a pretty big change on the truck. Gonna really clean up the rear of the truck, look way better, clean things up, get rid of that ugly red. And just kind of flow a little bit better. So I'm really looking forward to getting these on, but that is going to be another video. But as for this one, I'm going to wrap it up. A lot of different clips in this video. You guys mentioned that you kind of like the daily, day in the life kind of stuff. So I'm throwing as much as I can in the videos. You guys get a little bit of a sneak peek into my life other than just cars. You guys seem to enjoy it, so I might as well throw it in and get some clips for you guys of other things that I do throughout the day. And, you know, make a little bit of a day in the life kind of vlog style. And it's fun. I enjoy it. So that is it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really looking forward to getting all the new lighting stuff on the F-150. I actually have a mod over there in that white envelope package thing over there for the STI. So that is going to be another video. Also, on the STI, I want to get done the rear seat with the kill mat, the sound deadening. I did the trunk. You guys know that. And since now I have the car seats out, I'm able to have access to the rear seat. So now I want to get some kill mat in there, do what I can in there, make it a little bit better with the, you know, the road noise and the sound and everything. And I'm really looking forward to doing that. I have a bunch of sheets left, so I'm definitely going to knock that out in a video, show you guys, document that like I normally do. But that is it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I had fun making it. If you guys have any questions at all about anything in this video or any questions in general about the STI or the truck, be sure to ask them below. But in the meantime, keep it clean, keep it simple, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.